Okay, so today I am doing a video on transmission control protocol versus user datagram protocol. In other words, TCP versus UDP. Now, what are these two things? These are basically software methods of transferring data. This has nothing to do with hardware or anything like that. It is just it's kind of the difference between safely sending data, so making sure that everything arrives and arrives in the right order, and just sending the data and hoping for the best. One is obviously safer, and the other is a lot faster. TCP, transfer control protocol. Uh, am I saying that right? Yes. Transfer control protocol is the safer one, and UDP user diagram protocol. Am I saying that right? User datagram protocol. Sorry, is a lot faster but a lot less safe. So, how does this work? Well, TCP basically, for example, it does things like it checks that it has a connection first. It numbers its data packages so that it knows if one is missing and if it's in the right order or not. It they do checks that data has been received, and UDP doesn't do any of that, which is why it's much, which just why it's much simpler for UDP. Why it just goes a lot faster because it doesn't have to do any of that regulation stuff. So, for example, you would use UDP for videos or Skype calls or Zoom meetings. I don't know. And you would use TCP that sends an email, I guess. Yeah, an email or something else. Yeah, that's the difference between UCP, UDP, and TCP.